Hey there, future billionaires and space travelers. It's your favorite cyber prophet, Dave. Ever wondered what's more challenging? Becoming a billionaire poet or developing the tech to populate another solar system? Buckle up, because today we're diving into this cosmic conundrum. All right, let's break it down. On one hand, we have interstellar colonization. Imagine this: advanced propulsion systems, fusion reactors, and life support systems that can keep you alive for centuries as you cruise through the cosmos. Easy, right? First, let's talk propulsion. To populate another solar system, we need groundbreaking advancements in propulsion. Think fusion engines, antimatter rockets, and light sails. We're talking about speeds that make our current rockets look like snails on a lazy Sunday. Take laser-powered light sails, for example. These could potentially push us to 20% the speed of light. That means we might get to Proxima Centauri in just 20 years. Piece of cake, right? Well, sort of. Next up, staying alive. Closed-loop life support systems, radiation shielding, and not to mention, figuring out how to grow food in space. Hello, space farming! Imagine farming in zero gravity, recycling every bit of water and air, and shielding ourselves from deadly cosmic radiation. These aren't small challenges, folks. Now, let's not forget the hunt for a new home. We need a nice, cozy exoplanet. One that's not too hot, not too cold, but juiced right. Goldilocks, eat your heart out. We're using advanced telescopes and space missions to discover and study these exoplanets. It's like interstellar real estate hunting. Once we find our perfect planet, it's all about setting up shop. Robots go first, building our homes and setting up infrastructure. Then we humans follow. Simple, right? We'll need to develop ISRU, in situ resource utilization, so we can use local materials for building, water, and oxygen production. And let's talk about the secret weapon in our technological arsenal: quantum computers. These bad boys can simulate real-world environments perfectly, down to the subatomic level. Need to design a fusion reactor? Quantum computers can model every particle interaction. Trying to figure out the best materials for radiation shielding? Quantum simulations can predict how different materials will perform under cosmic rays. These simulations help invent and perfect the technologies our spaceship will need, saving us years of trial and error. But hold on, this isn't just about technology. We need a lot of money. Trillions of dollars, in fact. More than any billionaire can muster alone. We'd need global collaboration, massive financial investments, and sustained effort over generations. This is a multi-century project, requiring advances in physics, engineering, biology, and more. Now let's switch gears. How hard could it be to write some verses and make billions? Let me tell you, it's a different kind of rocket science. The market for poetry? Tiny. You need to capture hearts and wallets with your words. We're talking about building a brand, marketing yourself like a rock star, and getting your poems in front of millions. And guess what? That's just the beginning. Even if you're the next Shakespeare, you're competing in a world that loves blockbuster movies, binge-worthy TV shows, and viral TikToks. Poetry? It's a tough sell. But hey, if you can do it, you might just end up richer than J.K. Rowling. Maybe. To succeed, you need to publish and sell your work. Self-publishing on platforms like Amazon KDP, entering poetry contests with cash prizes, and submitting to literary journals are just the start. Think about performing at poetry readings, slams, and workshops, hosting classes and webinars, leveraging social media like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to share your poems and build a following. And it doesn't stop there. Offer custom poems for special occasions, collaborate with artists and musicians, and create multidisciplinary projects. Maybe even get into teaching positions at schools and universities. You need to diversify your income streams and constantly engage with your audience. And here's the kicker. Even if you do succeed nowadays, no one will know if you wrote your stuff or cheated with AI. Yep. With AI being able to churn out poetry, people might question if those heartfelt verses are really yours or just some algorithm's work. The lines between human creativity and artificial assistance are blurring, making it even harder to stand out and prove your authenticity. So, which is tougher? Becoming a billionaire poet or getting humanity to another star system? Drumroll, please. Becoming a billionaire through poetry is more difficult. Yep, you heard me right. Despite all the technical hurdles of space travel, the market dynamics, cultural factors, and now the AI suspicion make the billionaire poet the rarer achievement. So while we're working on those fusion engines and quantum simulations, keep writing those poems. Who knows, maybe you'll be the first poet billionaire or the first human on Proxima Centauri. Either way, aim for the stars. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep dreaming big. This is Dave, your cyber prophet, signing off.